Hello friends, this is Neha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about Note Cosmetics Perfecting Contour Kit Powder. The product claims it is a kit of 3 shades that help to define your cheekbones to perfect your nose and sculpt your jawline. Lightweight, easy to blend with buildable coverage. Now these powders also claim to have argan oil and vitamin E in it. It is a very compact kit. I bought it in shade 02 because J Dot doesn't offer 01. It has light highlight shade, a bronzing shade in the middle, and contour in the end. The contour shade is too dark for me, unfortunately. But I like how it has instructions on the side of mirror. Both brown shades blend beautifully, while the white shade sits in the cracks. The powders are not chalky and don't have much fall off. I have been using this for around 6 months now and I will rate it 3.8 by 5. Now here are some looks where I used these 2 brown shades. This is Neha Junsu signing off. Bye.